Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's July 9th, 8:02 in the evening. Look how natural this looks. Doesn't it though? Oh yeah, no problem. I remember these when I was a child. Then we got this over here. Look at this. Look at this crap. Oh yeah, very natural. What in the hell is this? Look at this. Sorry, I'm not on a tripod. Look at this crap. Alright. Thank you guys for getting all the pictures that you've been sending me of all these criminals in the sky here. This is very, very strange, to say the least. Seriously. This is not normal at all. Let me get in there one more time on this one, because this is just Creepsville, big time. Look at that. Just contrails. No problem. Douchebag.